The next product we're looking at here is the Hunter Douglas Vignette Shade. The Vignette is the only product that has a stacking style or a rolling style. What we're showing here is a stacking style shade. As it goes up, you'll see that it builds up a stack. If this were the rolling style, that fabric would wrap around a roller and it would entirely hide behind a cassette. But what's nice about the stacking style is it gives you the option if you wanted to have a top-down, bottom-up shade. What people love about TDBU, top-down, bottom-up, is that it brings a lot of natural light into the room, but yet you have privacy from wherever you set that level on down. I mentioned that the Vignette Shade comes in two styles, stacking and rolling. It also comes in two additional styles. This is what's called a full fold. Very nice contours on the front. It also comes in a flat fold version. So we're going to take care of whatever your personal preference is with this product. Lots of flexibility. You'll notice the headrail here is fabric covered to match. It's a really nice look. No need for a valance or a cornice. Very elegant look in your home. This is also a Hunter Douglas Vignette Shade. Different fabric color here. The fabric choices, there's over 300 color combinations. Some are textured, some are smooth. There's a variety of colors. What we're showing here in this hand sample is a bottom-up shade.